Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this Valentine's Day smoky kind of seductive tutorial for those girls who are looking for more of a dramatic Valentine's Day look. Then this is for you. I'm going to be using some new makeup products that are really in right now. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. You guys will see later on in the video when I put it on. Oh my god, it's bomb. The next new product that I'm going to be using is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. This mascara is amazing. This mascara is so good. It makes my lashes super long. Right now I'm wearing falsies, of course, but you guys will see before I apply falsies that my mascara looks so good. I'm also going to be using the Morphe NC palette. They released these two brush sets that you can find at your local Ulta. This one is the Complexion Goals Brush Set, and this one has 5 pieces. This one is specifically just for your face, and the other one is for your eyes specifically. This is called Eye Slay. It brings 6 brushes in it. I love that it brought cases, so this is like perfect for traveling. Enough rambling. I know you guys want to watch the tutorial. I'm pretty sure you guys probably skipped my intro because I talked way too much, but I just gotta give you guys the, you know, the deets. So I already moisturized my skin. I'm going to be spraying my MAC Fix Plus all over my face. And then to minimize my pores, I'm just gonna use the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser by Maybelline. Now I'm going to be moving on to foundation, and I'm really excited for foundation today. I'm going to be using the new Maybelline foundation. This is called the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and it's supposed to last up to 24 hours. I'm in the shade 310, so hopefully it does match me. Oh my god, that is so cool. It comes with a pump. Oh my god, I'm so happy. It doesn't feel like super thick. Wow, that's like really nice. I'm like super impressed because this foundation is drugstore and it's super affordable. And most higher end foundations don't even look this nice. So I'm truly impressed. I love the finish of it. For concealer, I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC25. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera because I am planning on doing a brow tutorial this week. Just so you guys know, I did apply some of my Laura Mercier translucent powder under my under eyes. So I'm just gonna dust that off my face. I will be finishing up the rest of my face a little bit later. The Morphe 3502 palette. I'm gonna be using this shade right here. It might look really red, but when you apply it on the lid, it's super pink. I am gonna be going into my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. Just gonna take Love Letter and Venetian Red, and I'm going to apply that right in the crease as well. Now I'm going to be taking the Morphe NC Dual Crew palette, and I'm going to be taking the color Rich Girl. So I'm going to be taking the Benefit Bang Mascara, which I'm really excited to be using today. And I'm hoping, oh my god. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see how long my eyelashes look right now? Incredible. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the Koko lashes in Venus. Okay, so once I have my lashes on, I'm going to be applying some black eyeliner on my waterline. And for eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Buxom Call Me Waterproof Eyeliner. So I'm going to be applying Purple Rain in the inner corner of my eye. So first, I'm just going to spray my MAC Fix Plus on a smaller eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna drag the eyeshadow a little bit into the lid. To set my foundation, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix powder in NC42. I'm going to be using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. So now I'm going to be using the MAC blush in Peaches. I'm just going to be using the lip liner by NYX Cosmetics in Natural. And then for liquid lipstick, I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Truffle. I'm actually going to be applying some highlighter today. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Hustle Baby. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys really enjoyed. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, of course. And also, do not forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified when I post a new video. And yeah guys, so I will see you in my next video.